Hi everyone, I'm in the office today just to see some post-op patients, but while I was here, I remembered that I ran out of all my skincare stuff. So I was trying to see what things I needed from the DavisRx line or in all our other stuff that we have here, and that reminded me to make sure that you all know that even though the office is closed, except for post-operative patients, we can still fill any orders that you may need for skincare that you may be running out of. And don't forget about our telemedicine conferences that we can have for consults or anything else like that. We actually have 2 of them set up for tomorrow. So make sure that if you're thinking about anything that you'd like to do once all this coronavirus stuff is over with and you want to talk about it, just contact us at info@DavisCPS.com and we'll go through all the processes of how to do it. So stay home and stay safe.